Retailing at about $130. Who doesn't like samurai girls? Hey everyone, ScrumptiliciousAsian here. And we are back again with another scale. Today I'll be showing off Hatsuki, which is actually an original scale figure from Wings. This is a 1/7, and as you can see, it's a samurai girl. Now I'll just quickly do the box showcase. It's a pretty plain box, nothing too much going on. This is some gold lettering right here, an emblem. You get to see the front and back. And I think it's from SWAV and Wings. I forget who the artist is, but I'll probably put it in the screen somewhere. And you can also find all the descriptions and links in the description below. Where to buy it, where it's being sold from, who the artist is, and all that fun stuff. If you want to, there's a scratch actually on the front of it, probably from shipping. I don't think you guys can kind of see it like right there. But yep, you got some cool lettering actually going across the box here and on the sides. You see here, and of course you guys get the authenticity sticker right here. Let's see if it wants to focus. I think it's focusing on the face. There we go, from Wings. All right. And without further ado, let's start the unboxing. And inside of the box, there is no sleeve or anything, so it is just one piece. But you do get the lettering and the symboling all across it. Pretty cool. All right, put this away. Info sheet. Let's see, this info instructions. Nothing too much is going on with this one. All right, she's got that. She comes out in one piece. Let me get all this plastic off her. We can get a better look on her. Let me see her swords. Okay, I think that's all of her actually. Let's see what plastic. Dang. Just the detail on her clothing and everything. So nice. I can already tell. Alright, let me put this away. So she does come out as one piece instead of, you have to assemble her yourself. Can you take these off? I don't think so. They do feel kind of fragile though. So let's start off from the bottom. Base, and it has like the little symbol. I know there is more of these, I don't know what these are called. I think they're called Ronin girls or samurai girls. I'll probably show more descriptions of the other characters in this series, and also more coming out. I know there is one other one. I think it's a Figma currently, and there might be a scale of it now. I haven't looked too much into it. Yeah, there are more of these coming out. So you get this like symbol. It's just a plastic, a little rough terrain. I don't think you can detach her from the base too easily. Of course, you get that thigh, the high waist thigh. Look at. This kind of acrylic. It's kind of like an acrylic piece in the front of her. Yeah, this is a pretty simple figure. Nothing too much going on with her. She doesn't come with any accessories or anything. Yeah, I wonder if the hats take off the full. No, I don't think so. So yeah, everything is one piece. So that is kind of a disadvantage. But there is a little bit of, I think under her eye, there's like a little bit of paint transfer. My highlight is not working well. Let's see if we can get a good picture of her like that. There is some weird paint transfers all over her body. And it's like, I wonder if you guys can see it. There's like a weird line right here. Paint, it might just be like residue. Yeah, it's just residue. Okay, yeah, so just paint or plastic residue from when it was being made. There's some smudges. Yeah, this has to do a little bit of cleanup, but nothing too bad. Again, original character. It looks really nice. That's why I got her. And she is so nice looking, actually. I'm really glad I actually got her. And of course, the swords, each of them are painted to kind of look at. You can get a butt view if you want, right there. Yeah. It's not like a really good way of getting this without getting her ass in the view of it. Yeah, but she doesn't move or anything like that, but you know, it's a very nice centerpiece. Looks great. And that's pretty much it. It's nothing too much going on with her. Probably have to get the rest of her now, just because I did unbox this one. To see the detail. There you go. Now that she's actually unboxed and then we got enough little close-ups, let's start the showcase.
I never thought I'd feel like this. Yeah. I never thought I'd feel like this. Ooh, never thought I could. I never thought I'd be on my shit, be on mine. I'm spending my time in love like I should. No more struggling, I'm all good. Yeah. I never thought I'd feel like this.
Pros. Well sculpted, more original figures getting more notice, which allows for just new figures coming out, and she's in a big hat. Cons. You can't take off the hat, the swords aren't removable, and honestly these things are very minor. This is a really well made figure, honestly, for the price. Final thoughts. Honestly, it's a really good figure, and I'm glad more original characters are getting figures. It allows for more artistic expressions from different artists, and I hope SWAV gets all his different illustrations made into figures. Her aftermarket is around $200, so if you find a good deal, maybe think about picking her up. It's a really good figure to add to your collection, and honestly, who doesn't like samurai girls? Come on now. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you made it this far, consider subscribing for more of my figure videos. Also, leave a like and a comment on what you think of this figure. Remember, thick thighs saves lives.